If you need a reliable way to load and unload your ATV, today's video is a must-watch. We're showcasing the best ATV ramps, sturdy and portable solutions that make getting your ATV onto a truck or trailer safe and easy. Whether you're hauling for work or play, these ramps are designed to handle the job with ease. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for our top recommendations. VENDAV ATV Ramps. The VENDAV ATV ramps are 7.5 feet long and crafted from high-strength aluminum, offering a lightweight yet sturdy solution for loading and unloading vehicles. Each ramp can support up to 750 pounds, with a combined capacity of 1,500 pounds. They feature a foldable design for easy storage and portability, unfolding to 89 inches by 12 inches and folding down to 46 inches by 12 inches. Equipped with rubber-tipped fingers and heavy-duty load straps, these ramps ensure secure attachment and prevent damage to the tailgate. Ideal for ATVs, motorcycles, and other four-wheeled vehicles. They provide reliable performance with professional welding and durable construction. Black Widow ATV Ramp. The Black Widow steel folding ATV ramp is designed for loading ATVs and off-road vehicles with ease and durability. Constructed from powder-coated steel, it features thick tubing and quality welds for a 1,000-pound weight capacity. The ramp measures 74.25 inches by 49 inches and folds into thirds for compact storage. Its textured surface offers enhanced traction for ATV tires, while rubber-coated connection points protect the tailgate from scratches. This trifold ramp includes safety straps to secure it during use, making it a reliable choice for smooth and secure loading and unloading. GAOMON ATV Ramp. The GAOMON aluminum trifold ramp offers a robust solution for vehicle loading with a 1,500-pound total capacity. Measuring 76 inches long by 50 inches wide when unfolded, it features a step plate design for secure loading and anti-slip treads for superior traction. Constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, the ramp is lightweight at 33.5 pounds, rust-resistant, and durable. It folds to one-third of its size for easy transport and storage. Suitable for ATVs, UTVs, motorcycles, lawnmowers, and snowblowers, this ramp combines convenience and safety for versatile loading and unloading tasks. Goodbye for now. We hope this video helps you find the perfect ATV ramp. Remember to subscribe for more tips and reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.